At the age of 16, I walked away from school to become a full-time thumbnail designer. Most people think I was just crazy, another kid who wanted to play computer all day long. But here's something that nobody knows. I didn't make that decision on a whim. I had spent my last 4 years building something that most people never get to experience in their entire life. I had given myself an education that school could never provide me. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how I did it, and more importantly, how I convinced my parents to let me do it. So let's begin. It all started at the age of 11. My dad owned a rental business, and one day a tenant moves in to start a new cyber cafe. This was life-changing for me because for a kid who never seen computer before, this was mind-blowing for him. So after school, I started to rush to reach that shop and spend my rest of the day there because I was getting obsessed with it. My grade started to slip, but honestly, I didn't care anymore. There's this guy running the whole place with this nice computer, and he also had another laptop which nobody used. That laptop became my classroom. My learning hack at that time was I watch exactly what the guy doing with his computer and try to replicate it on laptop. Sometimes it works, sometimes it don't. But the important thing is I was learning at a much faster rate than anyone else. No online courses, no online tutorials, just pure observation and repetition. For months, that was my education. For a couple of years, I was trying to teach myself Photoshop all day, but I was failing to get clients. And honestly, I was just messing around. But then my dad makes a move. This changed everything. He opens his own cyber cafe and gave 100% responsibility to me to run it. Now this changes everything for me because I was 13-year-old at that time. I wasn't just playing around any design software anymore. I was handling real customers, dealing with real problems, managing cash, learning about profit and loss. This was thrilling and terrifying both at the same time for me. When schools reopened after COVID pandemic, the contrast was insane because school was teaching me theory and the cafe was teaching me how to survive and make real money in real world. And I had tasted the taste of that real world, so I know I couldn't go back. At the age of 13, I was already proving that this wasn't just a hobby. I was making real money, decent enough income. So my parents already understood that my time spent here is much better than in schools. But proving it existed wasn't enough because I had a problem. My parents weren't allowed to let me drop out. At the age of 14, I wanted to drop out of high school, but my parents wouldn't allow. In this scenario, what most people do? They rebel, they fight with their parents, sneak around, maybe run away. But I did something different. I made them a business proposal. I went to my parents and said then, if I can prove that I understand your system, the academic system, by scoring over 90% plus in class 10 board exam, then you have to trust me that I can succeed in business. This was a gamble, but my parents seeing the money I was making at cafe, it was real, it wasn't made up. So they said yes. So for the next 2 years, I put my head down, worked so hard and scored 92% plus in class 10 board exam. I kept my promise, so I earned my freedom. This wasn't handed to me. So why I am telling this story to you? Because everyone think dropping out of high school was a big decision. It wasn't. It was just a 4-year journey. It started with a spark. The moment I discovered the thing I cared a lot about, it became real through self-education and observation, without a classroom. It proved itself through real business and making real money. It's earned its freedom through strategic negotiation, not rebellion. Most people never find that kind of a spark, and even if they do, they give up when it gets hard, or they just never test it in a real world. This story isn't about being dropout. It's about finding your own thing, the thing you care a lot about. It's about having a tunnel vision. That's what actually matters to you. So that's exactly what this channel is about. For the last year, I am running my thumbnail business, and now I am going all in this channel. This channel is going to be the documentary of the journey. The journey of building real business and a real YouTube channel. This channel isn't for quick life hacks. It's for the people who believe in themselves and willing to find their own thing. So if that's you, then subscribe and join my journey with me. So let's go.